In this video, we'll delve into the incredible changes that occur in your body when you take on the challenge of doing 100 push-ups daily. Get ready to witness the transformation. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into the benefits, let's quickly talk about the basics. Push-ups are a versatile bodyweight exercise that engage multiple muscle groups, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They offer a wide range of benefits and can be modified to suit different fitness levels. One of the most noticeable changes when doing 100 push-ups a day is a significant increase in upper body strength. Push-ups primarily target the muscles in your chest, shoulders, and triceps, resulting in greater muscle definition and overall strength. As you progress, you'll find that other upper body exercises become easier, allowing you to take your fitness to new heights. Regularly performing 100 push-ups a day leads to improved muscle tone and definition. The constant engagement of your chest, shoulders, and triceps triggers muscle growth and creates a more sculpted appearance. Over time, you'll notice a significant change in the way your upper body looks and feels. Push-ups are not just an upper body exercise, they also engage your core muscles. By maintaining a proper plank position during each rep, you'll activate your abdominal muscles, lower back, and obliques, leading to improved core stability and balance. Strengthening your core can have a positive impact on your overall posture and athleticism. When you consistently perform 100 push-ups a day, your endurance and stamina levels skyrocket. Push-ups are a great cardiovascular exercise that elevates your heart rate, improves oxygen intake, and boosts your overall fitness. Over time, you'll find that you can complete more push-ups in a single session and maintain higher energy levels throughout your workouts. Beyond the physical benefits, doing 100 push-ups a day cultivates mental resilience and discipline. It takes dedication and determination to complete this challenge consistently. As you push through the repetitions, you develop mental toughness, perseverance, and the ability to overcome obstacles not only in your workouts, but also in other areas of life. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and exercise ideas. Share this video with others who are ready to take on the challenge of 100 push-ups a day. Together, let's push our limits and unlock the incredible potential of our bodies. Thanks for watching, and until next time.